Today I want to show you something very familiar. Everyone has seen it before. So it's come with a box and instruction, and I think everyone knows what it is. And this is the Rubik cube, very popular in the 80s, and you can turn it. And the only thing unusual of this one, this is actually a pepper mill, and what you can do is open the top. Let me try to open the top. It's a little bit hard to do it. So, and here where you put the pepper in. Before I put the pepper in, maybe I should clean it. Use a blow the dust out. And here I've got pepper corn here. Just put some in there. Try. Close the top. Let's try it. Not bad. So the instruction is saying remove the cap or here, that's the bottom. So you remove the cap here, take this out, then you will see a knot here. If you turn this looser, turn this out, the grain will be bigger. Turn this turn this inside, then it will be fine. So that's how you adjust the size of the grain, or granity, or what people call, I don't know. Anyway, that's very nice. I love it. Thank you for watching. Bye.